Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are unable to sign out of your Apple ID and iPhone running iOS 17 due to restrictions, it is possible that restrictions have been enabled on a device, preventing certain actions such as signing out of your Apple ID. So here is what you can do to address this issue. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on the Screen Time option. Then inside Screen Time, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. When you tap on content and privacy restrictions, simply if it is enabled, then turn it off and go back again and go back to the settings again. Then in settings, scroll down and tap on general. In general, scroll down again and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset and tap on reset all settings. And that is it. After you reset, go back to the Apple ID and try to sign out. And by following all these steps, you will be able to sign out of your Apple ID. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.